My new favourite vegetable would have to be Kalettes. They are so cute, and more importantly, they're super delicious. They're nutty, they're sweet, and they're super versatile. It's actually a hybrid vegetable, so it's a combination between kale and Brussels sprouts, and look how beautiful they are. So I'm going to make a Kalette Welsh Rarebit. It's a combination of smoked cheddar, Worcestershire sauce, lots of creme fraiche, and I think the addition of the Kalettes is perfect. So what I've done is just blanch them, so boiling water, put them in there for 1 to 2 minutes, take them out, drain them, and then finally chop them just the way I've done here. I'll add some cheese, so I've got that smoked cheddar, lots of that in there. To bind all of this together, some creme fraiche, so you want about a tablespoon. And to give it a lovely savoury flavour, some Worcestershire sauce, about a teaspoon, no more than that though, because it is quite intense. And in with a hot English mustard. And we'll give that a really good mix to combine everything. That's the consistency we're after. So to make our toasties, I've got some sourdough bread here. I've just buttered both sides of it. We'll open it up and we'll add our delicious Kalette mixture. So we'll just pop that on one side, all the way to the sides of it. Fill it up, be generous with it, sandwich it together, and you can either do this in a pan or in a sandwich press, and I'm going to toast it until it's caramelized and that cheese melted. I can hear it sizzling, so it's ready. Oh, I love how golden brown that is. We'll take that out of the sandwich press, and ideally you do want to allow it to cool slightly, but I'm very impatient when it comes to toasted sandwiches. So I'm going to cut that in half, easiest with a serrated knife, and there you go. Using Kalettes, that is a serious toasted sandwich.